welcome back to my channel. We are back in the kitchen today. It has been so long since I last uploaded and I feel so bad, but I'm so happy to be back today. So we're gonna be making a choco flan. The ingredients that we're gonna need, I will insert the picture here. We're gonna start off by cracking our eggs. I do have my oven, or I will have it preheating while we make all this. So I will go ahead and preheat it to 400 degrees. And now that our oven is preheating to 400 degrees, we're gonna go ahead and crack our eggs. That's 4 eggs that we'll be cracking here. Now that our eggs are in, we're gonna take our 12 ounces of evaporated milk and throw that into our bowl. And we're gonna take our 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk and put that in as well. This is a lot thicker consistency, so you'll need to scoop it out. While our oven is preheating, we're gonna get our pan ready. So what I like to do so it doesn't stick is I will spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. And you make sure you get the middle too. So once we've sprayed our pan completely, we're gonna go ahead and put our cajeta on the bottom. I don't really measure how much cajeta I use. If I had to guess, I would say maybe like 1/3 of a cup, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and we will make sure that it is even, so evenly distributed. And now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and pour our mixture in. So we have our mixture here, and we'll start slowly pouring. We've got all of our mixture in here, and then I went ahead and covered it up with some tin foil. Now this pan is gonna go into a bigger pan, and the bigger pan will be filled with water. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, my water is actually almost to the very top. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in my oven, and then I'm gonna set my timer for 20 minutes. While our flan part of our choco flan is baking, we're gonna go ahead and make the cake part of our choco flan, and this is what I use. And then you'll need all of the ingredients to make the cake. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. The back of the box will tell you how to make it. So I'm not really gonna go too much into detail with that. I do want to mention that I just go ahead and use the same pan and the same whisk. It's all gonna be in the same cake anyway, so I don't see the point of getting more dishes dirty. So our oven is going off right now. It's done. We're gonna go ahead and take out our flan. You do have to be very careful because remember, it's full of water and the water is hot. Okay. Now we have to take the tin foil off very carefully. And then we'll want to lower our oven to 350 degrees for our cake. So we have our cake mixture, and we're gonna go ahead and pour it on top of our flan. One thing with the choco flan, every time I make it, after I make the flan part, there's like this protective layer kind of that forms on the top of the flan, and then when I pour the cake batter on there, it doesn't go through. This time it did, which I don't think has ever happened, so I'm not sure what happened this time, but it'll be interesting to see. You know, I think that the chocolate cake batter always rises to the top because it's thicker, so we're gonna see how it comes out. Hopefully it's okay. Now that we have it all in there, we're gonna go ahead and put our tin foil back on, and then we'll stick it back into the oven for, we're gonna stick our cake back into the oven for about 50 minutes. Our flan is done. I did change because while we were waiting, I fed the baby and I got all dirty. So we're gonna go ahead and take our pan out. Just remember that there is water in there, which is super hot. Okay, so something that I learned, once you take your choco flan out, you will want to go ahead and get it out of the water, and then also take the tin foil out, and then it'll get very like gooey. So we'll go ahead and get it out. And then also get the tin foil off. It got dark while I've been baking this, so I did have to change my lighting, so it might look a little bit different now. It is dark outside. So now that our choco flan is out of the oven, we're gonna wait about an hour and a half, then we'll come back and then we will flip the pan, and that so it's time for the moment of truth. We're gonna go ahead and taste it.